we are getting a new furnace today. And I am going to stay out of their way. I'm going to let them install the furnace. And then when they're done, I'll show you the new furnace. But first, I'm going to go down and show you the current furnace in case you haven't seen it. Now it's time to go all the way down into the basement so you can see the current furnace. There it is. Good old current furnace that was manufactured in 1961. Don't know if that's when it was installed in here, but that's when it was built. I can't wait to see what the new one looks like. This is going to be so exciting. They got two vads. Two of them came to do this. This is going to be fun. So while they're ripping apart everything downstairs, I'm up here watching videos on YouTube just to pass the time away and stay out of their way as well. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Staying out of their way, watching YouTube videos. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Have you? Really? It's only been a few seconds for you. It's been 3 hours for us, waiting for them to take out the old furnace and put in the new furnace and everything. Anyway, I'm just going to shut up and show you what it looks like. It's tiny. First of all, just to be dramatic, here's the pipes that are coming in from outside. And there, there's the extender piece that he put on, because that's where the old furnace used to be. And then there's the furnace there. Go and stand beside it so you get an idea of how big, how short it is. See, it only comes up to her waist. That's how tiny it is. Thanks, I'll pay you later. Yeah, it's a Goodman. I don't know how good that is or not, but I'm sure somebody out there will know and let me know. I don't know. Yeah. Goodman. I don't know. I just hope that this is a better furnace. I mean, so far the heat's been really good. And he was doing something on the back. Oh, probably just putting it in. Wow. I don't know. This is probably boring for you, so I'll just stop. Yeah, it's pretty sad. You know how I'm uploading a movie a day onto Facebook from that movie game that I have? Right here, the movies. Well, I forgot today. I keep forgetting. Nobody's reminding me. Nobody's saying, hey Kevin, upload a movie. Because I'm supposed to be uploading them right after I make my vlog live. And I keep forgetting. So, my fault. I'm lazy. My fault. Uploading one right now called Anteater. Ever get a song stuck in your head that you just can't get out of your head? I got that Bobby McFerrin song, Don't Worry, Be Happy. going through my head right now because of this little two or three, maybe 4-second video on Facebook that somebody shared. One of my friends on Facebook shared. I think it was, I think his name is Benjamin something. Anyway, shared this little 4-second video of somebody mouthing the words to Bobby McFerrin's "Don't Worry, Be Happy." And because I watched that, I've got the actual song, "Don't Worry, Be Happy," the whole thing, going over and over on constant replay in my head. Has that ever happened to you? You just can't get a song out of your head? If so, what song? What was the most annoying song? Not that this song is annoying, but what was the most annoying song that you've had stuck in your head that would not go away? Just over and over and over and over and over. I think for me, the most annoying song over in my head was that Gangnam Style. I mean, at first it was cool, but after a while, just constant repeat in my head just started getting very annoying. Very annoying. This is what I was talking about yesterday in my Frantic Fridays video. How it's all, I don't know where that bag of chips came from, but how it's all wet and drippy here because of these pipes. Every time water runs through it, I know it's not any of the tenants' fault, but every time water runs through these pipes, it drips onto the floor, and we had all of our stuff all along this wall, and it was getting damaged. So I moved all the stuff over there, and it's still, some of it's damaged. And then you got this here. From this pipe. See that? Right there. Water dripping off of this pipe from upstairs. Needs to be fixed or something. This whole house is falling apart. Hey, I got a job, finally! Unfortunately, it's in The Sims, and it's a science career. So, I work at some laboratory, science lab, as a test subject. And I make $44 an hour. And I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. sim time. I'm a test subject. For now. You know, and then you build up and build up. But I'll keep you informed on the different things that I do. And that's the job there, and that's me in the car driving home, well, getting a ride home from work. I'm so glad that nobody's watching me do this. So I'm going to 7-Eleven to get a Slurpee. Man, we haven't done this in a while. I haven't gotten a Slurpee in a while. Can you guess what flavor I'm getting? I'll give you a hint. It's the flavor that we usually get, and no, it's not Dr. Pepper.